So I newydd goffan, so I just finished doing like a live stream, and of the part 7 of Dan 7 up a thingy. But the first gen has just died. My generation gyntaf wedi marw. No! At least didn't die at the wedding. Nath o marw ar y priodas. Mine's in work. I tried to get everybody else not to work i peidio gweithio o adra. But oh, the first gen has just died. Genedlaeth gyntaf wedi first one has just died. Mai's having a baby. The legacy's got chaotic, and now I understand why some nightmare legacies. But oh, cool. I'm just gonna save and do the next part on YouTube. I'm just gonna save and just not do random skill building in the background nesa. Cool. Diolch for watching. Thanks for watching.